ভিউয়ার্স, এখন আমরা থ্রিলার মায়ামি স্পিডবোট রাইডটা করতে যাচ্ছি। এটা 40 মিনিটসের একটা রাইড। এই ট্যুরটা আগে থেকে অনলাইনে বুক করাটাই ভালো, কারণ অন দ্য স্পট টিকিট পাওয়া নাও যেতে পারে। টিকিট প্রাইস $40, আর এখানে 30 মিনিট আগে থেকে এসে কিউয়ে দাঁড়াতে হয়।
What's up, you guys? Welcome aboard the Hurricane. You guys ready to get crazy? Yes! You guys ready to get wild? Alright, you guys. So before we head out there, guys, we've got just a couple of safety rules. We want to keep everybody safe on this road, guys. Very important here. Those seatbelts, make sure they're nice and tight around your lap, guys. Obviously, that means no standing. Don't want you guys getting hurt. There's no excuse to be standing during the tour, not even if you're twerking. And believe me, don't put them on. You're not going to need them. I promise you guys, they're only there for the event of an actual emergency, which you don't have to worry about. I promise you guys. We're going to proceed to one of our many emergency exits that we have, guys, that are conveniently located literally everywhere. Just jump off the boat. No smoking, no eating. Other than that, guys, the number one rule is to have fun. Everybody ready?
Yeah!
All right, cool. Let's do it. Not only one time. South Carolina, we got South Carolina, we got Texas. Pennsylvania. We got Memphis, Tennessee, who for some reason is taking a phone call right now. It's kind of unusual. Rails, guys. Don't be shy, shout it out. But we got LA on the boat too up there, where that lake is now. We got the 818 up there, where the 318 and 333 for 888. said it's worth close to $90 million, $88 million to be exact. This one right here. You're probably wondering who owns this place, right? You're probably thinking it's like a celebrity or something. It's not. It's a doctor. This guy invented a little tiny blue pill. It's one of the oldest houses on the island. It just sold recently for $38 million. And it was on the market for 3 years. Original asking price was close to $70 million. They dropped it all the way down to $38 million after 3 years. That was in Bad Boys 2. If you guys remember the famous scene where Gabrielle Union is launching by the pool with the bad guy, that was where that was shot. Now guys, we got this modern looking mansion right here, guys. This is one of the newest homes on the island. It's only about 3 years old. It belongs to a guy. His name is Stuart Miller. He owns one of the largest construction companies in the United States. He's not very famous, guys, but he's very wealthy. Obviously, he's one of the wealthiest guys, actually, on this whole island. In addition to owning this house here, guys, he owns 2 other homes. Next up, guys, we got a 2-story White House right here, guys, with all the windows. Former home of Jennifer Lopez, J-Lo. That's right, she doesn't live there anymore. Now she lives on the other side of the island with A-Rod. See, not anymore, my bad. With Ben Affleck, the other side of that island.
Ben Affleck?
It go short days, long nights, we be gone to the morn. Yeah, they love it, all eyes on me when I put it on. Hallways, porch lights, gotta keep the evil off. Oh me, oh my, I just be like.
Just past that brown mansion on the right, you guys, that's Will Smith's vacation home. One of many. He's actually in town, you guys missed out. He was outside earlier today. I think it was our 3rd trip. He was out there waving to us from the yard right over there. I was hoping maybe we'd see him. I don't see anybody out there right now. But if you guys look closely in the grass over there. And up now, guys, we got this 2-part property over here with all the palm trees. This is the one with the red top roof over there. This belongs to the Queen and the King of Miami. King of Miami. Someone throw a name out there. I know you guys are thinking of it. Rick Ross, that's right. Rick Ross and Trina. What do you think? They got entangled. No, I'm just kidding, guys. No, it's Gloria Estefan and Emilio Estefan. That's a good guess, though. Rick Ross is a very good guess. Condo, guys. Only way to get there, guys, is a ferry on the left. I'm talking about the real ferry over there. For cars. After, there's no road access, guys. And famous celebrities from Tiger Woods, Oprah Winfrey, Andre Agassi, Ingo McCringleberry, all own properties over there, guys. Check it out. And drink. Oh, why not? With the little Welcome back to the No Wake Zone, guys. Make some noise if you guys had a good time out there, guys. That's right, guys, as we are coming back in, as you guys can already see over on our left-hand side, guys, we got that beautiful view of downtown. This is going to be your best photo op right here, guys, if you guys want to get a really good picture for social. We also got another birthday going out. Happy birthday, Javon. Where you at, Javon? Javon. Javon. Tell it. It's Javon. Like a CH. Javon. Oh, like T-R-E-V-A-N. Like Trevon. Happy birthday, Trevon. There you go. There you go. Like the 14th time is the charm. I got it. Trevon. Who else has got a birthday, guys? Welcome back to the base shot, guys. Everybody give it up for Captain Chris over here, guys. For bringing us back home safe and sound. He did an excellent job out there, guys, keeping us all safe, especially considering it's his first lap. So coming back in, guys, everybody remain seated for us until we tie up. Keep your arms aside, you guys are important on this boat. And one last final heads up, guys, is Captain Chris and I work in the hospitality industry, so just like exotic dancers, servers, and bartenders, we rely on your guys' generosity to make it really. If you guys had a good time, feel free to show us some love on the way out. A little blue tip jar. Don't feel pressured to drop anything in, guys, but 20s, 50s, 100s, whatever you guys want to do. But we hope you had a great time. Thanks for joining us on the Hurricane. Enjoy South Florida. Be safe, guys. Woo!